What we are going to do now is we are going to draw a dome right above this building. In order to do that, we are going to first remove the land right here. So we are going to go to this one, the primary panel in the Home tab. And this one is called Level Display. We are going to click on the Level Display, and then we are going to unselect land. Do same thing in the second window. We are going to click on the second window and we are going to unselect land. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to go to Modeling and we are going to go to Solids. We are going to choose Sphere, and in the second window, before we do that, we are going to double-click on Multi-Snap, so then we can snap to the center. So now we're going to use the center and we are going to create a sphere which is as big as the building. Now that we have created the sphere, we are going to move the sphere to the side a little. This is so that we can cut the sphere. To move the sphere, we are going to go to the Home tab and we are going to click on Move, and we are going to drag the sphere to the right. We are going to make sure that Z is 0 followed by Y is 0. We change axis by pressing the Tab key on our keyboard. So now we are dragging along X and we are going to type in 100. Now we can let go of our left mouse button and the sphere is now 100 meters to the right of the building. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to create an A circle right above the sphere. We do that by selecting Place Circle. And over here, as we drag, we hold on to the left mouse button and make sure that the Z is 0 and the Y is 0. And now we can stretch and we can draw the circle right above the sphere. And we are going to leave some space at the edge. Once we have the circle above the sphere, we are going to cut the sphere using this circle. In order to do that, we go to Solids, and we are going to use Cut, and make sure that Split Solids is being checked. And what we do is we click on the sphere and we click on the circle above the sphere. And then we click it one more time. And now it has been cut into 3 parts. So what we are going to do next, we are going to use the Element Selection tool. We are going to click on the middle of the sphere and we move it to the side. Right now, we can just delete this part which we do not want by hitting the Delete key on your keyboard. Next, we are going to split this shape apart. So what we are going to do is we are going to go to Groups panel on the Home tab and we are going to click on the drop icon. So click and choose Drop Element, and we are going to select this shape. Once we clicked on the middle part of the object, it will break it into 3 parts. And now we are going to use the Element Selection tool, and we are going to select the center and we're going to hit the Delete key on your keyboard. This is going to delete the center part, leaving us the top and the bottom. We are going to delete the bottom part as well, and now we are going to shift the top part back to the building. So we can use Move, and we are going to drag this by clicking on the left mouse button. And we are going to make sure that the Z is 0, the Y is 0, and this will be 100, and now we can let go of the left mouse button. The dome will be placed right above the building. Now we have to adjust the height of the dome and make sure that it touches the building. So we go to the second window and we are going to change the view to right view. And now we are going to go to Move and we are going to drag this down. And make sure that Z is 0 and then X is 0. And we are going to drag I down all the way to the roof of the building. So now we have the dome right above the building.